Turned up to this one, Megaflow unvented cylinder. Tundish is pouring with water. The neighbour thought they'd take advantage and get their plant watered at the same time. So I'm going to turn the combi valve off, which is the cold feed to the cylinder. The water in the tundish was warm but not hot. Previously, another engineer had changed the combi block about 5 months ago, and I had reinstated the air bubble on a previous visit, but we're back. So with the cold feed to the cylinder turned off, but that tundish is still going, what's that tell us? It's telling us it's going to be backfed from somewhere else. Listen to that noise. Going to whip that bath panel off. Bingo. What this is proving is the house isn't balanced how it should be. So you're going to have mains pressure on the cold and then obviously 3 bar on the hot, and that valve's failed and it's pushing through. Backfilling the cylinder, triggering the PRV for more than 3 bar. So to get around that, I'm going to balance the whole system, save having to get under that bath. That looks way too fiddly for me. I'm going to pop a pressure reducing valve on there and balance the whole system to 3 bar, because this house does have 3 showers. And in the future, any one of those could potentially let by. So now we're going to turn the cold feed back on and check it. There's so many houses that have an unvented cylinder fitted that doesn't have a balanced cold and potentially opens itself up to these problems. If you don't trust your eyes, sometimes you've got to stick a finger in. It's another one done. Happy days.